Bitcoin pushes ahead despite the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Singapore's DBS Bank is expanding crypto trading. Crypto.com releases Ethereum NFTs. And Polygon launches a new take on NFTs. Gala Games is taking the metaverse to another level. Theta Network and Samsung are dishing out NFTs for new Galaxy devices. Kadena releases its ecosystem growth plan, and Mooning Monkey NFTs are packing a serious punch that you cannot miss. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie, and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's head over to the news. The crypto market is looking solid, with Bitcoin pushing past $44,000 and Ethereum hovering at $3,100. But eyes are elsewhere, monitoring the conflict between Russia and Ukraine and the effect that it's having on equities and crypto. The US just announced that it will be relocating its Ukrainian embassy further away from the Russian border, and has also threatened to shut down the Nord Stream 2 pipeline if Russia decides to invade, which is likely. Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky says that he expects attacks to begin on Wednesday, so all we can do is watch and hope for the best. More and more banks are hopping on the crypto bandwagon, with the latest coming from Singapore's largest bank, DBS, and its plan to expand its Bitcoin trading to retail investors. DBS launched its own crypto exchange back in late 2020, but only to professional investors. And now DBS Bank CEO Piyush Gupta says that the company will be focusing on scaling crypto exchange operations throughout 2022. So it's still a work in progress, as there is no official roadmap yet, but we can probably expect a timeline sooner than later. Crypto.com is finally supporting Ethereum-based NFTs on the exchange platform. So now you can trade NFTs from the sandbox or even board AP Yacht Club and whitelisted projects with no extra listing fees and no gas fees for trades on Crypto.com NFT platform. This is definitely a huge step for Crypto.com to reach an even wider audience. So are you excited about this move? Let me know in the comments. Now, we can't mention NFTs without dropping Polygon in the conversation. And the MATIC network, in partnership with Cere Network, has launched a Web3 NFT experience platform called Vinci that works on a subscription model to offer huge NFT perks, exhibitions, and real-world fan events. And by combining Cere's decentralized data cloud platform with Polygon's Layer 2 Ethereum scaling capabilities, Vinci will monetize its content, experiences, and minting and trading directly and give more power to creators, meaning that creators will always have a piece of the pie and earn fair royalties from any sale, and be able to use Cere's data cloud to craft content specifically for their communities. So do you think Polygon is changing the way that we'll be buying NFTs? Tell me your thoughts below. Gala tokens are rallying hard in the markets, and for good reason. Gala has shot up 14% in the last 24 hours, adding to its nearly 70% in gains in the last 2 weeks. And this recent rally is largely attributed to a massive crypto presence in Super Bowl commercials that have sent metaverse tokens on the up and up. And it's worth noting that halftime show performer Snoop Dogg is also signed with Gala Music, the first ever decentralized music platform. But Gala Games is really expanding with its latest announcement of a $5 billion investment plan for boosting NFT offerings and to build a virtual theme park. And on top of all of this, Gala Games has just announced its upcoming Galaverse Festival happening this June in Copenhagen. So there's so much happening with Gala Games, but is this token on your radar? Let me know in the comments. Theta Network and Samsung are teaming up, and the tech giant will be releasing commemorative NFTs on Theta's new Theta Drop NFT marketplace for users who pre-order either the Galaxy S22 smartphone or new S8 tablet. Now, the NFTs are supposed to come with a membership and huge perks to go along with it, which is not a bad idea to link up with Theta's crypto-based video streaming service. Just a guess. Now, if that's up your alley, make sure to pre-order by February 25th to get all the perks included. Kadena has a huge announcement of its own, introducing its Kadena Eco, which is the Layer 1 proof-of-work blockchain's initiative to bring together the best minds and talent in crypto to keep building Kadena's ecosystem, and also by turbocharging mainstream adoption and Web3 innovation. And with the announcement, KDA tokens have picked up 10% in gains in the last 24 hours. And lastly, get ready for the Mooning Monkey NFT launch. These NFT primates pack a digital asset with an epic space journey, a comic book, and crash game all in one. And minting starts tomorrow on February 16th with a starting price of 1.5 Ether. You have to check out this one-of-a-kind collection that allows you to also co-own the game and share profits. Head to @Mooning Monkey's Twitter page to get all the details for this massive drop. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So are you keeping an eye on the conflict between Russia and Ukraine? And is Gala Games on the verge of cracking the metaverse wide open? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified on our latest videos. And why not share our content with your friends? You can show them what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here's some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.